Ooh, a package from the datacrew. Let's clean out my desk real quick. Grab a knife. Jeez, there's how many layers in this plastic? Alright. Pause it here if you want to see the specs. Ooh, we got some goodies. A new key tag. And who's this guy with the mallet? Let's do a 3-minute ASMR walkthrough, shall we? We've got webbing that goes all the way around with a nice bit of elastic for adjustments. We've got a branded fidlock buckle, magnetic of course. You can see the sweet snack time sling branding right here on this piece of webbing, great for a carabiner. YKK water guard zips on all 3 pockets. On the duckbill flap of this bag, we've got a mesh pocket that is zippered. This is my favorite for your wallet. On the back side, we've got a removable admin panel, Velcro secured. The bag keeps its shape really nice. Alright, I like to put one of these big boys here on the front. And then on the inside, kit it out with all your thematic patches. A little Halloween action. The new key tag, they have a matching patch. So let's slap those things together and slap it on the bag. Alright, we'll fit out my wallet with your credit cards, your loot, your knife, and of course your flashlight. Zip that whole thing up in your ZFCUP with the antiquated patch on it. Throw that thing in the zippered pocket so it's not going anywhere. Backside, I like to throw my phone. I got a D brand case on this Android. Zip that thing up. And that is the major components, but you can't forget your fidget toy. Got my kartifact playset. Toss that in here. And of course, my favorite, the Lautier Shuffle brass and copper pocket aces. Take that grail in its black cross leather slip. Slide it here in the zippered pocket as well. And that's our loadout for this sling. Here's the fit. Throw it around, you want to wear it on the front, you want to wear it on the back, it's all up to you, man. This thing is quite versatile. It looks good however you're going to wear it. It's not cheap, so use my discount code XERO15. Get you 15% off the whole order. The Snack Time Sling from datacrew, the sickest EDC bag.